Hi, my name is Jerry McSparron, and this is a JMAC engine shop rebuild completion video. Today's date is July the 22nd of 2026, and today's engine is an MG Midget Triumph Spitfire 1500, and it is already sold. It belongs to Joey, and it's engine number FM127656UCE, and he wanted a few special things on it, an aluminum flywheel, and he wanted me to go ahead and set up electronic ignition for him, which I did, and he purchased a set of SUs, and these SUs come from Italy, and they're kind of expensive, but the guy really does a nice job, and they're very clean, and they set up very nice. He has them oriented very closely to the way they should be when they run. And the only issue that I ran into was that this spring is not quite tight enough, and this throttle sticks just a little bit and needs pulled back a little bit, so I'll have to put a stronger spring on that. And but besides that, I have rigged up a choke, and I won't even need it because the engine's already warm, and I don't have a throttle. I don't have a throttle hooked up, but we'll operate it manually. And so we went completely through this engine. It is a like new engine, and it's it just went together very nicely. It's got flat top pistons, and the head's been shaved like I do on most of my performance engines, and the compression was well, I just got done running it for an hour. So before I ran it for an hour, I tested the compression, and they all were it averaged about 205, and so that's very good. And I will check them again here after the video, and so I could report it to Joey. And but you know, it's got a new rocker shaft and new bearings, and put a double timing chain, double springs on the valves, and enlarged the intake valve, and it's got 270 cam, and just all the bells and whistles that I usually put into an engine. And of course, it's very clean, powder coated covers, and so it's ready for Joey to put it in his car. He's been working on it and getting it all painted up and fixed up, and he's going to be ready for his engine here soon. So I'm going to run it and let him hear it run, and we'll rev it up to get the RPMs up a little bit and let you listen to it, and then we'll close out the video. you'll be very impressed with the power that it has, Joey. And so you're interested in having your Triumph Spitfire or MG Midget 1500 rebuilt, let me know and contact me. Go to my website, www.jmacengineshop.weebly.com, or send me an email, jmacengineshop@gmail.com, and we can certainly discuss it. So thanks for watching the video.